warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ardiansyah. I'm from Aipi, Makassar, and my major is Nautika.
And my name is Christoper, my major Nautika level 2.
How may I help you?
Have you got any rooms?
Yes, single, double, or twin.
Single, please.
Would you like a room with shower or just a bed?
Just a shower will do.
Room 319, that will be 600,000 rupiah, including breakfast. How long will you stay?
Just a couple nights. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served around 7 to 9.
Good evening. How may I help you?
Have you got any room?
Yes, single, double, or twin.
Single, please.
Would you like a room, a shower, or a bed?
Just a shower will do.
Room 319, it will be 600,000 rupiah a night, include breakfast. What time you'll be staying?
Just a couple of nights. What time is the breakfast served at?
Breakfast is 7 to 9.